We stay with the Mama for sure.
I don't think so. I think because we think they're gonna pick Mama Liz, they're not gonna pick Mama Liz.
Oh, they're gonna pick you.
What? Because they think that...
Go there.
No, they're gonna pick the strongest one. Diba?
Because you like
Ilalagay para matapos sila.
I mean, it's ano kasi it's performance things and alam nila na Divine can dance.
Thunderbolt, ganyan.
Babaliktarin lang nila yung pula sa abdo. Yun na rin.
It's war time.
W lang yun sa kanila.
This is madness.
May arty-party ba?
Have to remove it?
No, I removed mine. I removed mine. Because we have to put blindfolds on.
You're going there?
I don't know. In the
If you can talk to them, tell them that you don't want to go.
in the confession room there was.
Unigate, di ba? Hindi, baka trick lang. You'll be blindfolded and then, you know.
Shuffled, and then two people will just leave.
Random. Baka random.
Oh my god, that's
I prefer to be random.
Yeah, random.
I prefer to be random.
No.
Kasi kung pipili sila,
For sure.
Si Card. Ano nila, dito malaking chance.
Kuya!
Random, kuya!
Don't be takot. Let's make baka.
Diba?
Rally.
But I'm sure makikita yung dalawang house nila later.
Oh,
yeah.
Puno-puno pa.
Yeah. Ano na? Feeling ko yung cheer. Next week.
Yung hallway dyan, yun yun.
Kunin lang yung design.
Sinabi
na wala nang pake.
No, I think
Cheer.
you'll do the
Eh,
cheer
kung mag-uwi at na kaya kayo na kuya ako.
All of it.
doesn't matter now. I just want to know. I don't like this waiting.
Yeah, the waiting sucks.
It's killing me.
And the waiting for people to come back in.
And then if I do get picked and I go into the next house, I'm supposed to act happy. Like, I'm not happy.
Yeah, and like, for example, they have to do their cheer.
Yeah.
At least you have someone to perv on.
Ang ano naman, ang
No,
awkward
I
naman
already
nun
have
sila
someone
yung...
to prove on.
Here?
Yeah.
I know. Yes. Finn.
Yeah. So I'm fine here. Gosh, why? I'm fine here.
Still Fifi.
Student pala yung pako.
Makapag-enroll na nga sa law school next June. Classmates ko siya, ha? Saan siya? Hindi daw.
Parang may ano ng deep pakos.
Sino si Paco?
Basta law lang.
Pako
So, we
pala.
use legal terms sa pag-ano.
Halos lahat. Halos lahat na installation.
Not a big deal anyway.
Alok ito.
Yes, big deal yun. Kasi pipiliin nila yung...
Dito parang,
Hindi, kasi if in case na, halimbawa, yung pako ang ilipat dito.
If I go, I want to
walang
go
lilipat
with
dito.
me.
Walang lilipat.
Shudil.
Yeah, because
Hindi pa natin alam kung ano magiging deal eh.
Kuha sila ng dalawa, saka pwede din.
Kuha pa sila ng dalawa.
Pwede din.
Di ba pwede rin switching?
Bing. Switch.
Dalawa yung switch.
Ipapalit ka ganun.
Ako okay lang sa akin na nire-reprimand ako. Kasi nga, pag si Ate Dayan na si Ate
I don't want
Dayan.
anyone from them.
Pero wag naman yung
Seriously.
We're not
Sa
getting
sex na
anyone
kilala
from
ko.
them, right?